Jungle.
रजिस्ट्रेशन में ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा होली रोज
Esteemed Christina Piskova to come over to the dais. Sri Jupali Krishna Rao garu, not to come forward, please. Warm welcome to all the media personalities who joined here to publicize the greatest events of the. I request all the media personalities to keep quiet to listen to all the things that is going to give by the greatest personalities who come over here to meet. So as to enable all of the greatest personalities to join here, happen in Hyderabad for the first time. So being Hyderabadis and being Telanganites is a proud moment for all who are residing here in Telangana. We know pretty well, Hyderabad and Telangana is the youngest state and the 29th union. But it may be having a 10 years of just period of time. But 22nd edition in Hyderabad. The beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases and it never pauses. This is a famous quote that has been given by the greatest romantic poet of English period. He is none other than John Keats. From the same land of England, Miss World is the first time they are coming over here. For the first time. So this is a proud moment for all the Telangana people and all the Hyderabadis too. Host, Miss World CEO and all. On this very auspicious I request Mrs. Julia Morley to give address.
Ladies of the press, I have a very special respect for you. I'd like to thank you for all the pushing and shoving that you have to do to get pictures. It is hard, but we really respect you and we always try what we can to cooperate and give you your own opportunity, your own special picture or article. I'm really here. I've never visited this place. I didn't realize that it was so special. We have the opportunity to all work together and just how beautiful your places are. All the nations from 145 nations coming here, we must all be ready. And I hope that you will join us when we have those ladies here from around the world, because they're an incredible group of young women, students who are ready to promote.
To organize this wonderful day. Christina Bisco. We do have a Czech colony in Hyderabad. Hyderabad and Czech is having the greatest.
I mean, just at the beginning, our beautiful welcome you just prepared for us. It's really showing that India has a lot to offer, and you know, India has such a special place, not only in my heart, but as well in my journey. Because you may know that last year my journey as Miss World started exactly here in India, and you know, all the feelings are coming. It will be very emotional because the atmosphere that was there last year was vibrant, beautiful Indian designs, the dances, the singers. It was unforgettable, and to experience it all again will be the best chapter I will have to finish this part of my life. So thank you so much for that. And moreover, I would like to say that India is actually inspiring. It's teaching all of us so many important things, like understanding the spirit. That's what I found out when I visited the temples, when I actually had a day to explore Telangana. You teach us values of understanding, the gentleness of the heart, and mainly the unifying love that represents diversity. And I would say that diversity is actually the strength of India, because you have so many nations, you have so many languages, you have so many ethnicities. It's beautiful, and you have the strength because that connects all of it, and the whole world can learn from that. And that's the same as Miss World. We have this sense of unity. We're more than 130 contestants, and we come from all around the world. So we're different, but we have the same vision, united, and that's the beauty of the purpose. That's our mission, and that's what connects all of us. So I'm sure that this year, in May, we'll be all connected and we'll bring the best festival, that's the women empowerment purpose to the world. Thank you so much once again, and I'm very excited that I can be here with you today.
That has been happened in Telangana. Last 2 days, she has been roamed here and around Yadagiri and some other places, including Falaknuma, and she has sent a grandeur. Mohabbat Pyar, our ethos. Now it is adding one more flavor and one more feather in the cap of Hyderabad city's glory. Is Hyderabad is the city of beauty too, with this Miss World contest.
ఈరోజు ఏదైతే తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం ప్రతిష్టాత్మకంగా చేపట్టిన మిస్ వరల్డ్ కాంటెస్ట్లో మరి ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ విచ్చేసిన మీద ఉన్న మంత్రివర్యులు గారికి, మిస్ వరల్డ్ కాంటెస్ట్ CEO గారైన పెద్దలందరికీ, ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసిన మీడియా ప్రతినిధులందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేస్తూ, ముఖ్యంగా రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం మరి ప్రతిష్టాత్మకంగా చేపట్టిన ఈ మిస్ వరల్డ్ కాంటెస్ట్ను సక్సెస్ చేయడంలో అందరూ కూడా సహకరించాలని, ముఖ్యంగా మీడియా ప్రతినిధులందరూ కూడా బిగ్ సపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వాలని చెప్పి మా ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు దీన్ని ఒక ప్రెస్టీజియస్ ప్రాజెక్టుగా అది మొదటిసారి హైదరాబాద్కు రావడం జరిగింది. మరి టూరిజం నుంచి దీన్ని పెద్ద ఎత్తున నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి రేపు రాష్ట్రానికి టూరిజానికి కూడా గొప్ప పేరును తీసుకొచ్చే విధంగా దీన్ని సక్సెస్ చేయాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన ఆర్గనైజర్లందరికీ కూడా నా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను.
He is planning everything to Miss World Contest 72nd edition.
On behalf of the government of Telangana, it's my privilege to extend a warm welcome to the Miss World organization. Madam Julia, ma'am is 86 years old, and her energy and her enthusiasm and her absolute precise thought is an inspiration to all of us. So welcome to Telangana. I welcome the reigning Miss World, Miss Christina from the Czech Republic. You have brought so much of beauty and grace to Hyderabad and Telangana. So welcome to you. Warm welcome to our Honorable Minister, Sir. Yukari, all the freedom, all the encouragement to be able to put together this wonderful celebration of beauty and celebration of purpose. Warm welcome, sir, to the chairman of the Telangana Corporation, Ramesh sir, who has been a pillar of support in all the logistics, in all the plans that we are going to roll out in a very enthusiastic way in the coming days. I'll just go straight to the issue. Telangana is all set to host the 72nd edition of the Miss World. We are truly excited with the opportunity of this strategic partnership. Let me tell you, since the media personalities from all over India, from Delhi, Mumbai, all parts of India, have come today, and of course, our very, very dear Telugu media is also present today. Warm welcome to all of you. So, through you, I would like to tell the world a little bit about Telangana. In the sacred text, Telangana is known as Trilinga Desha. It is the sacred between the three lingams, Kaleshwaram, Sri Sailam and Akshurama. It is the home of the witch, and over a period of time, it evolved into what they used to call Telinga Desha. And then finally in the 14th century, it is known as Telangana. So this is a brief history. We are more than 2,500 years old. We are today the most vibrant and the youngest state of our incredible India. And what has emerged today as Telangana is a statehood born out of the sacrifice and aspirations of generations of Telugu. As we enter our 11th year, waterfalls at the Kuntala, Bogata draw your attention to a growing sector, and it is now making rapid strides and a mark in the global scenario, which is our medical value tourism. We have the most advanced healthcare in Telangana, the JCI accredited hospitals which are globally recognized. We have AIG Group, Apollo Rainbow Children and Birthright Fertility Hospitals, Continental Hospitals, TX Hospitals. We also cardiac procedures, orthopedic procedures, oncology treatments, gastroenterological treatments, and well beyond the actual surgeries and treatments, people from all over the world prefer to stay back in Hyderabad, stay back in Telangana during their wellness period. 15,000 crores over the next medical tourism, sports tourism, spiritual tourism. Saria Mirza, Pulela Gopichand, Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Kidambi Shrikar, Nikhat Zareen, Arjun Erigaisi, Ronavalli Harika, Shrija Akula, Isha Singh, Ritvik Chaudhary, Bolipalli, Ritvika Shivani, Muhammad Husamuddin, Tilak Verma and Muhammad Siraj. Serene Buddhist haven, that is Buddhavana, which houses Telangana's ancient Buddhist heritage, to the frenzy and color and festivities of Medaram Jatra and to the Bonalu. We, the vibrant people of Telangana, are humble, hospitable, rustic and real. And Hyderabad, once the wealthiest city in the world, which was Palaknama and Chowmahalla, which Christina recently, and its largest collection of antiques in the Salarjung Museum, that stand as testimony to the legacy of that bygone era, which has shaped also our identity today. Cut to the modern day Cyberabad, the nerve center for IT-enabled services, biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, defense and defense research. We are home to global tech Microsoft.
a growing hub of startup ecosystem, a platform to ideate, innovate, and the key hub where brilliant young minds find ideas into commercial operations. Innovation and cutting-edge research in life sciences, aerospace, lead of Hyderabad that today we have all a chance to be in. Don't forget to have our Director Halim and Telangana Vantakalu, and please go with some Irani chai. In other ways, where every foodie's dream becomes a reality. So we can never stress enough authorities take to keep Telangana a safe and friendly tourism destination. 24/7 Center, we assure to every tourist, every traveler that Telangana is a tourism destination for all travelers, especially solo women, travelers and senior citizens. I can go on and on about the love story that is Telangana, my home and my Karmabhumi of the last 25 plus years. But I take this unique opportunity to present this destination to the global audience. A destination, to say it here in Dakkani, Telangana Zarurana. It is a memory of a lifetime, not just a place on the map. So thank you everybody for gracing us today, and especially to the media fraternity, a very warm welcome to Telangana and Hyderabad.
Spiritual tourism, but also for ecotourism, environmental tourism, and of course, it is the place where you can find, stimulate, and mingle with each other. Telangana welcomes you. Now I request the Honorable Minister for Tourism.
Our Sri Patel Ramesh Reddy garu, Chairman, and Srimati Smita Saravalu garu, Vice President and Tourism Culture, and Mrs. Julia Morley, Chairman and CEO, Miss World. Just now I was telling about you. At the age of 86, you are just still maintaining the legacy of the founder. I really appreciate you. So to take you as a model for this young generation. And Miss Christina Iskova, the reigning Miss World. Wish you all the best for once again. And most importantly, all our media friends, both national, international, and also state, that I address you today on the historic occasion of hosting the illustrious Miss World pageant in the culturally vibrant state of Telangana. Most of you, the international may not be knowing, is the new state struggle of 6 decades. It's a new state. Though the state is a new state, we would surpass many other states in several areas. Telangana is a state of warm traditions and spectacular scenery, and a people whose hospitality knows no limits. We are a state which is a beacon of the marriage tradition and contemporarily a unification that rings true to the spirit Miss World contest. With the initiative of our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Revanth Reddy garu, in hosting this, we have a unique chance of presenting not only the beauty of our state but also honoring those very closer to Miss World heart. This year's Miss World pageant has an even greater significance. Their internal beauty and their power of transformation, integral beauty, as we know it, goes beyond physical looks. It is the strength of the spirit, the elegance of the mind, the kindness of the heart, and the dedication to making a positive impact. It is a purposeful beauty that is born out of present passion and serenity, a demonstration of a world that is better and more loving. Beauty becomes more apparent in the harmony of geometric perfection and the vibrant energy of joy and exuberance. The role of women in constructing societies, fostering communities, and fueling innovation. Entrepreneurs, caregivers, and agents of change. They add innovation into all that they do, inspiring generations and defining the future. Having the Miss World pageant in Telangana is not merely a prestige issue. It is a chance to celebrate women across the world. It is a clarion call to recognize their narratives, aspirations, and grit. It is a time to raise voices that inspire societies and build humanity. And as we give our contestants, delegates, and audience from all over the globe, we also that they will never, from the regal splendor of the Charminar to the peaceful beauty of Nalamala forest, world famous of our full cards, Telangana is ready to greet you warmly with open arms. For its distinct and vibrant culture, and this event plays a pivotal role in showcasing and promoting this rich cultural heritage to the world. Through such initiatives, the state's traditions, art forms, cuisine festivals are introduced to global audiences, fostering a deeper understanding and into a prominent soft power on the global stage. With the rise of globalization, the influence of culture has expanded significantly, shaping international perceptions and first ties. Today, soft power is regarded as more influential than hard power, as it drives various economic systems, builds global alliances, and creates a positive international image. For instance, South Korea's television series Squid Game and the globally renowned BTS band have not only redefined a country's cultural presence but also played an role and also instrumental role in boosting South Korea's economy. The cultural influence of game contributed to South Korea's global recognition, with the entertainment industry generating millions in revenues and bolstering tourism, exports, and local industries. Moreover, the Jurassic Park franchise almost alone generated more revenue than the sale of 1.5 and economic outcomes. There is also hope for our Telangana and Hyderabad with this event will reach some record. Hyderabad once one of the for its multicultural and multilingual heritage and is truly a cosmopolitan city, now turned into a gigantic software hub and powering companies throughout the globe with its software exports. Similarly, Telangana has also gained global recognition through its growing presence in the film industry, through its Oscar award-winning films attracting audiences worldwide. The impact of Telangana's cultural influence can be seen in the growing interest in its festivals and traditions, which are increasingly being emulated and celebrated across different parts of the world. Such power has proven to be a key catalyst for fostering positive global engagement, enhancing it to each woman competing in this pageant are not just contestants, they are represent intellect and solidarity. Let us as one rejoice in the strength and potential of women across the globe as we strive to create a world that celebrates equality, diversity and beauty in its forms. So for Telugu people also ఈ యొక్క కాంపిటీషన్ అనేది గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారి ఆలోచన ఇచ్చి వచ్చినటువంటిది. ఈ యొక్క మిస్ వరల్డ్ అనేది దీని ఒక ఆపర్చునిటీగా అవకాశంగా తీసుకొని హైదరాబాద్ ఏర్పాటు చేయడం నిర్ణయం తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. ఈ మిస్ వరల్డ్ కాంపిటీషన్ పెట్టినటువంటి ఉద్దేశం ఏంటంటే ప్రధానంగా కొత్త రాష్ట్రం తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్నటువంటి నిరుద్యోగ యువత ఉద్యోగ ఉపాధి అవకాశాలు మెండుగా రావాలంటే, అలాగే పెట్టుబడులు పెద్ద ఎత్తున ప్రపంచ స్థాయిని ఆకర్షించాలంటే ఈ యొక్క ఈవెంట్ ద్వారా అంటే ప్రపంచంలో నుండి సుమారుగా 140 దేశాల నుంచి ఈ యొక్క కంటెస్టెంట్స్ పార్టిసిపేట్ అవుతారు. ది సేమ్ టైం కొన్ని వేల మంది అంటే మీడియా almost more than 3,000 media people also present here. And through this event ద్వారా ప్రపంచం మొత్తానికి కూడా ఒక తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం కొత్త రాష్ట్రం చాలా మందికి తెలియకపోతుంది. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం ఉంది, హైదరాబాద్ ఉంది అనేది దీని ద్వారా ఇవి క్రియేట్ చేయడం కోసం ఈ యొక్క ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ అంటే స్టేట్ రెవెన్యూ రాష్ట్ర ఆదాయం పెంచి అట్టడుగు వర్గాల వాళ్ళ యొక్క అభ్యున్నతికి దోహదపడాలనేటువంటిది దీని యొక్క ఉద్దేశం, లక్ష్యం, ప్రధానమైనటువంటి అంశం. రెండవది ఇక్కడ మహిళా సాధికారత అంటా ఉన్నాం. అంటే మహిళలు ఇక్కడ చూస్తాము అంటే ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్న మహిళలు ఎక్కడెక్కడో దేశాలకు వెళ్తూ ఇందులో పార్టిసిపేట్ అంటే మన ధైర్యానికి మనం అభినందించాలి, వాళ్ళ పార్టిసిపేషన్ అభినందించాలా, వాళ్ళ స్పిరిట్ను అభినందించాలా, ఆ కోణంలో చూడాలి. అంతేకాని అందాల పోటీ అంటే ఇంకో కోణంలో చూడకూడదు. అంటే ఏ కోణం చూస్తే ఆ కోణంలో అవపడుతుంది. లక్ష్యం ఉద్దేశం మన యువత కూడా మన రాష్ట్రంలో నుండి మహిళా సోదరి మహిళలు కూడా ప్రపంచంలో అయినా ఇటువంటి కార్యాలలో ప్రపంచంలోకి వెళ్ళి ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్ళి బతికి రావాల్సిన ఒక ధైర్యాన్ని, ఒక సాహసాన్ని ఇవ్వడం కోసం, అలాగే రాష్ట్ర ఆదాయాన్ని పెంచడం కోసం ఇవాళ టూరిజం డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో గడిచిన 10 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి పాలసీ లేకుండేది. ఈ టూరిజం పాలసీ తీసుకొచ్చి టూరిజం పాలసీ ద్వారా ఎట్లా ఆకర్షించాలా అంటే ఇది కూడా ఒక ఎట్లయితే మన విదేశాలకు వెళ్ళి పెట్టుబడుల గురించి ఆకర్షించే ప్రయత్నం చేయడంలో ఈ యొక్క మిస్ వరల్డ్ పోటీ చేయడం మూలన ఆ లక్ష్యం నెరవేర్చడం ఇదొక ఒక యాంగిల్, ఒక భాగం. సో ఆ కోణం చూడాలి. సరే, రకరకాల వాళ్ళు రకరకాల మాట్లాడతారు. ఒక రాజకీయ కోణంలో మాట్లాడతారు, ప్రభుత్వాన్ని విమర్శించే కోణంలో మాట్లాడతారు. పచ్చకల్లోడికి లోకమంతా పచ్చనట్టుగా అట్లా కూడా ఉండకూడదు. నేను పేరు ప్రస్తావించే అవసరం లేదు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ పొలిటికల్ డ్యాన్స్. అందుకనే ఈ యొక్క ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ కార్యక్రమం ద్వారా వేలాది మందిగా ప్రపంచ దేశాల నుంచి వచ్చేటువంటి వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ గొప్ప కళా సంపద ఏతుందో, ఈ గొప్ప కళా సంపద ఏతుందో మరి